Hey guys, this is Dooley. So in this video we will talk about filtering data using the Linq operators. So there are two operators we can use to filter data. One of them is the where operator and the other one is the off type operator. The where operator is the subject for today. The off type we'll talk about in a future video. So with the where operator, we can just grab a portion of a collection based on if they meet a certain criteria. Okay, so what I have here is I have a list of integers, a list of strings, and a list of a custom object, which is genes, and this is the gene class right here. If you've been watching these videos, you've seen it before. It has two properties, one's a string, one's an integer. I have a couple of functions in there, one that returns a list of genes and one that returns an array of genes. Okay, so this is just creates a bunch of genes and just puts them in a list and returns it. This one puts them in an array and returns it. Okay, so let's go back to the program and see how we can use the where operator to filter this data. Okay, so let's say for data 1 we want to filter all the integers that are greater than 10. So let's use the where operator to do that. Let's create a local variable here. Let's call it filtered data, and so what you're gonna do is call data that where. Okay, so where, what do we want? That's where the condition goes, and we want an expression here that describes that criteria, and that criteria was, is the integer greater than 10? Okay, so data where data is greater than 10. That's all we gotta say. So let's go ahead and print that. I have a function here called print collection, and then let's call filter data here. Alright, let's run this function and see what we got. Okay, so now it's giving me all the data in this list of integers here that are greater than 10. Okay, so we get 12, 23, 32, and 56. And you don't have to stop there, by the way. You can continue to chain these calls and ask to do other things. For example, you can order by, and you want to order by the data. If you want to order by from small to big, all you have to do is provide this criteria right here. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get. So now it's ordered from small to big. If you want to order it from big to small, we've already done something like this, so that's what we're gonna get down there. All right, from 56 to 12, and you can continue to chain depending on what you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that for the list of strings. Let's create a local variable here called filtered strings. Let's call it fruits. Would be more appropriate. So we are going to filter the fruits list. And let's use our where operator. So how do we want to filter the fruits? Let's say we want to filter the fruits that have the letter A in it. So we're gonna get the fruits where the fruits that contains the letter A. Alright. Actually, we've got to print it and make sure it's in there. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so these are the fruits in the list that have A in it. And as you can see, all of them have A. And the cherry here and berry do not appear because they do not have A. Okay, and again, you can always do a additional stuff with this. Let's say subsequently you want to order by length. Okay, so it's going to be fruits that length. Okay, now we expect to get all the fruits with A in it in order of size of string. So mango, orange, grapes, and strawberry. Okay, so that's how you do that for the strings. And now let's go ahead and do that for the custom object that we got. So let's filter the jeans. Okay, that's going to be jeans. Jeans that wear. Okay, so we want the jeans where the fitness is greater than 10, for example. So we want the jean where jean that fitness. Oops. Is greater than 10. Okay, so let's print both. Let's print the jean first. Print collection. And then let's print the filtered jeans here. So we can do a thorough comparison between the two. Okay, you can see this is the original jeans collection, and what we've got here is two jeans that are greater than, where the fitness is greater than 10. Alright, all the other ones have fitness that are less than 10. Alright, and again, you can go ahead and filter some more. Let's choose order by. Okay, what can we order by here? We can order by the fitness again. So G, do that fitness. We can order alphabetically by the sequence as well. Okay, so now we're going to get from smaller to bigger in terms of fitness. Alright, so this is the video, guys. This is how you would use the where operator to filter data. You can use it on collections of strings, collections of integers, and collections of custom objects. And as long as you provide the right expression to filter the data, it should be done for you. Alright, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to know when these videos are coming up. Please like the videos if they're helping you. And if you've got questions, go ahead and ask me in the comment section and I will respond. Alright, I'll see you next time.